If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Swish, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent the verification process from completing. Step 2. Update the Swish app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Swish app. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates. Step 3. Restart the app. Close the Swish app completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the app and may help in completing the verification process. Step 4. Verify your information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Sort to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Swish customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Swish. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.